We're gonna try the cake. So here it is. Let's get, oh, 1 second, I need a fork. We're gonna try it, this cake here. I don't know, I just thought I'd throw it all together and see what happens. Oh, look at this. It's got banana on top with some graham crackers. Oh, look at that. Let's have a bite. Oh, it doesn't want to stay on the fork. Okay, this would be very good with ice cream or with cream, with whipped cream. So good. I don't think we need a fork. Just pick it up. Kind of tastes like a brownie with banana in it. We have some graham crackers. Delicious. That's what it looks like on the side. Sometimes you just gotta try different things. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye.